look at that. Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Vienne Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, another great find. Imagine, brother, pakita natin yung likod ng camera.
Yeah.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. In the middle of nowhere, we have been invited in this
Parang hidden place.
Vienne Cafe.
Yes.
Place for you to enjoy their food. If you want to know more about this is a great find dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go.
Ayan, so on our table,
Mga sinaserve nilang pasta. So meron tayo dito yung carbonara, meron tayo dito yung pesto, yung jade, and syempre yung kanilang marinara.
yan. So for the coffees naman guys, meron din tayong Manila. Meron tayong parang caramel and nuts. So meron tayong tres leches. Then lastly, this is the so look at this. So pagdating nito guys, we were shocked.
Ito naman yung kanilang eggs benny, no?
This is part of the all-day brunch na available sa mga menu nila Vienne. Ayan. Can't wait to taste it. Let's also talk about the place. How it wants us to, kumbaga, feel the vibe.
Una ko napansin is napaka-chill nung lugar. Maliban sa Instagrammable, talagang napakaganda and you will stay for
Very
longer
long time.
Yes. And talagang may enjoy yung place. Kumbaga napaka-solemn niya.
Who would have thought in the middle of yung parang palayan, di ba? Dito sa banda na to, merong ganitong lugar. So, like what you said, ito yung time na talagang you have all the time in the day.
At the same time, yung mga food naman nila dito, lulutuin pa lang nila kapag in-order mo. So, medyo may konting waiting time. Sure na sure ka naman na fresh and talagang mainit-init pa.
Even bread are homemade dito, brother. Okay, so for the coffees, let me try this. It's the Manila. Now, for the coffee prices, start tayo at 109 pesos and once in a while, they add yung mga menu natin dito. They want it to be more dynamic. Parang mga ganun.
Kumbaga flexible.
If they were able to come up with a new idea, so immediately they wanna add it sa menu natin para matingman natin siya. Alright, so time to taste. This is their soul. And basically, this is an espresso coffee with mousse on top. Ayan. Oh, wow. Wow, very creamy. Oh, look at that.
Oh, ang sarap ng mga cheese niya.
Yeah, I know. You like it. For our last part dito sa vlog na to, what a way to experience yung kanilang mga sweets or desserts. Speaking of enjoyment, brother, what do we have on our table?
So, on our table, so meron tayo dito yung kanila Who Spilled the Jam?
Who Spilled the Jam?
Yeah.
So I've heard this is on a Singapore-inspired dessert.
Yeah. Siyempre meron din tayo yung kanilang La Vienne cheesecake. Yung magma cheesecake. Meron din tayo kanilang tiramisu pour. And yung kalang Sicily.
Alright. Wow. Different choices, different options, guys. When you go here, it's not just a place for chill.
Yes.
They also have great food. To top it all off, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any inquiries or questions, leave them at the comment section po. We're gonna ask our management to reply to you. And if you like the food, any food that you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And when you share it, tag nyo po yung Vienne Pampanga para ma-thumbs up din natin yung mga shares.
So that's it. Thank you for watching Vienne Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Alright. Parang may ganito to, bro. Peace out, bye.